Yo, what is going on YouTube? Technically T bringing you another case video for the iPhone XS Max, and we have the Mous clarity case. Now I know a lot of you on my Mous Limitless 2.0 case review, you asked me was I going to get the clarity case in. At the time it wasn't out there to get sent out or anything like that, but the good people over there actually reached back out to me and said they have one to send to me to review. So a huge shout out for Mous for dropping me this case to review on the channel. This is one of the most highly anticipated cases for me because I never used it, and I know a lot of you guys wanted to see this case. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So far, just by looking at it, this may be one of my favorite clear cases for the iPhone XS Max. I'm just putting it out there. I'm putting the Limitless 2.0 quality, and you put that into a clear case. Let's go ahead and see if it lives up to it. So go ahead and look at the packaging. You know we get some of that air shock technology, and that's basically what it says down here. Flipping over on the back, let's read a couple specs that this case has going on. Impact protection, of course, that green section here is going to be where all of your shock absorption and anything like that. But the main question that I get asked no matter how many clear case video reviews that I do is, will it yellow over time? Now this case, it says it here, you can read it here, it also UV protected, meaning it won't yellow over time. Now that is something that we're going to put to the test, because I know that really that's important to you guys that like to run clear cases. So we're going to see, we're going to check it out and see if it actually lives up to it. So let's go ahead and take the case up out of the packaging. Let's see what also we're getting here. Stay safe, always use screen protection. Now they do offer a screen protector. I may pop that on in another separate video, but we're just going to take a look at the case right now. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. And basically little, it lets you know what the clarity case has going on. But I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side and set the packaging to the side also. And let's go ahead and get into the actual case. So here it is, Mous clarity. So on the back, you're going to get that complete clear plastic, and that is actually UV protected. So they're saying that it will not yellow over time. So that's actually a very good thing to hear. On the outside, you do get a black rim for protection, and on the inside, you get that air shock technology that I was talking about. It's going to absorb those drops and make this a pretty sturdy case. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and bring my iPhone XS Max in here, and let's just go ahead and pop it in. All right, let me go ahead and clear any notifications I have there, and let's go ahead and get into the actual case. So first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at the buttons. Power button, very nice and tactile, no issues at all. Volume up, volume down, no issues, very tactile as I would expect. Getting to the mute toggle switch, it's a little recessed, but not too deeply recessed. And then flipping it over on the bottom, you see your cutouts are spot on for your lightning and your speaker ports. And also real quick, flipping it over on the back, we do get that very nice cutout for your camera. And this is basically how it looks on a white/silver iPhone XS Max. And just like Mous always offers, they give you a little bit of your branding down here on the bottom. So very nice touch. Taking a look at the lay on the table protection. Now I do have a tempered glass screen protector up here, and as you can see, the sides are a little bit more flush, but as you get to the top and as you get to the bottom, it is raised. So in that case, if you were to drop it on the ground, you should be good to go, and it won't really actually damage your screen protector, just because it has just enough lip on the top and also just enough lip on the bottom, and you can see how the case actually raises up. So that's a very nice little touch. So the lay on the table protection should be A1 in case you do drop this phone face down. Next thing up, let's go ahead and check out the fit of this case. Now you already know that's the most important category to me when it comes to a case review, and go ahead and pull it and tugging. One thing about Mous cases, they have some of the best fit cases out there on the market, period. Hands down, they fit amazing. I'm really tugging and pulling at the top and bottom, it's not really moving. And on the left and right sides, very stiff case, no issues at all. You don't have to worry about the case slipping out. You don't really have to worry about it popping out, doing anything like that. The fit, and that's the reason why I really love Mous cases, and that is the reason why they're in my top running for the top iPhone XS Max cases, because their fit is absolutely perfect. No issues at all when we're talking about a fit on any of the Mous cases. Excellent fit. How does the case actually feel in hand? The case feels definitely good in hand. Doesn't add a ton of bulk. One thing that I always say, I always try to make cases better if I can. I like to give my honest judgment on a case. One thing I would like to see is the sides. Now, I always say most clear cases are slippery because they don't really like to put texture on the sides to make the case any grippier. But In this case, I probably would like to see some little ridges or something designed on the side, very subtle, not too much, not too bold, just to give the case a little bit more grip. The way the case is right now is not bad, but I can tell it could be a little slippery if you were to get moisture on your hands, if your hands tend to sweat, if that's the thing, it may get a little slippery. So in this case, maybe add just a little bit of texture on it, but that's it. If I can say anything about this case is just about perfect in every category. Just on the grip department, I feel like it could be a little slippery. And this is just me doing case reviews, knowing what people like and they don't like about cases. I can guarantee you what people will say that they didn't like about this case. Just add a little bit of grip on the sides and it will be absolutely perfect, man. And bringing the wireless charger over here, dropping it down on wireless charging. Yes, it works on wireless charging just fine. So here is the Mous Clear Clarity case. Absolutely love this case. One of my favorite clear cases. I'm thinking about doing a top clear case video. This is definitely going to be in the running. So definitely check the link down below for the latest pricing on the Mous cases. I don't believe they're on Amazon, so you're going to have to go directly to the website. But if you guys do want to check this case out, I do have a coupon code. Now I will pop it down below, above, or somewhere, but it is technically T106TFR, and that coupon code will give you 10% off a purchase over on their website. So definitely go ahead and check it out. If you like this case, man, give this video a thumbs up. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you rock with your boy, you already know, make sure you smash that subscribe button. But until next time, later.